Hey there, my name is Paul Farmer. I want to welcome you and thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. What I'm going to be showing you is how I basically went from getting very subpar Facebook engagement to getting massive engagement and to being able to make sales on a daily basis. So if you're not currently getting at least 100 to 200 likes plus a Facebook post and you're not currently making sales on pretty much a daily basis right off your Facebook profile, pay close attention, really focus on what I'm going to show you, because I am going to share with you exactly how you can do what I'm doing, exactly how you can get that information. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to scroll all the way down to where I first started this very simple strategy so you can see just how it built up over time. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you some of the results I've been getting when it comes to sales, so you can see that this strategy absolutely works. It will work for you no matter if you're in network marketing, online marketing, have any kind of product to sell, anything. It's going to help you create a massive following, make many connections daily, which in turn is going to help you create more sales in your business, no matter what it is you are doing. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to start right here. This is September 8th. This is before I started this strategy, okay? So you can see right below, not many likes at all. And I'll scroll down a little more. This one only had 40. This one only had 12. This one had 18. This one had 20. So you can see my engagement, 5, terrible there, 50, was not good. It was not good at all. Now, what's going to happen here, though, is I started applying the strategy. I started applying what is taught in a course I went through, which you're going to get an opportunity to get yourself. But I started applying these strategies, and they're very simple strategies. And to my amazement, I started seeing results. And I'm not talking about results like in many different programs. I've been through training after training after training, but in many different trainings, either they leave something out, it's going to take you forever to get it to go, especially free strategies, right? It's going to take you forever, months and months and months, a lot of consistency, a lot of hard work for you to really start seeing results. Unlike that, this happens almost instantly. So let me just show you what I mean. Okay, so my very first post, September 11th, and I should say this as well. I wasn't entirely focused on this profile. I was actually working on a different profile. But right away, you could see that I had over 50 likes, 15 comments, 1 share. So that's already some improvement. This was my very first post I did using the strategy on September 11th, all right? Here is a results post, and results posts usually get the worst engagement. And this one is about 70 likes now, 18 comments. Okay, so you can see this is definitely growing very fast. Okay, 82, 17 comments, 2 shares. And here's a lifestyle post, 92. See, so it's going up gradually. It's going up gradually, but it is improving. And you can see it's improving very rapidly. Here is September 17th. So remember, I started on the 11th. Now I'm up to over 90 likes, 23 comments. Still not cranking, still not going as big as it can go, but it's getting there, okay? And then on the 18th, so 7 days later, 7 days, so 1 week, I got nearly 200 likes on a post, 37 comments and 4 shares. And this was quite literally the very first time I ever got over 100 likes on a post. Very first time. I've been marketing online for over 6 years. I've been on Facebook for longer than that. And I've never, ever got over 100 likes on a post. But it gets better. It gets way better. 200 likes, 46 comments, 3 shares. 170, 49 comments. 180, 54 comments. 190, 23 comments. Over 200, almost 300 on this one. I'd never done that before. 92 comments, 2 shares. Over 277 likes, 74 comments, 2 shares. Over 400, now that's another record for me. Over 400 likes, 111 comments, 22 shares. And when these are being shared, understand that's traffic coming back to you. People are sharing this on their wall, but it's tagged back to you. So you're getting that traffic as well. 253, this is a results post. Now remember, I told you results posts do the worst. Over 253 likes, 83 comments, and 3 shares. Again, this was a results post. Results post typically, before I was implementing what I'm implementing now, this strategy, literally it was crickets when I put up a results post. I might get 1 or 2 likes, maybe 1 comment, nothing great. Okay, it was terrible. And now over 253 on a results post. That's absolutely incredible. 368 plus likes on this one, 87 comments, 6 shares. 279, 86, 3 shares. Now this post, this is a post to attract people to me to help them get more sales on their Facebook profile, following the strategy I'm following. This one has over 169 likes, 121 comments, 2 shares. But most importantly, it has people reaching out to me on a daily basis asking for information how to do what I'm doing. That's the most important part of that, okay? And those are still coming in. I posted this last Tuesday, and I still have people asking me for information because I'm employing the strategy that I'm talking about here. This absolutely works. It works fast, all right? 340 likes, 100 comments, 6 shares. This was a Facebook Live. Now, understand, you do not need to do Facebook Lives for this strategy to work. If you don't want to do a Facebook Live at all, don't do them. You don't have to do them, okay? It is not that important, but they are effective if you do them, okay? So 291 likes, 73 comments, 8 shares. Here's another Facebook Live. That's a more recent one. 279 plus, 102 comments, 1 share, okay? And my post today, I just put this up. So that's where I leave off, okay? So what does it look like when it comes to sales? Now, these are some of my sales. These are not all of my sales. And this is just basically a week worth of sales, okay? Just starting this. Because I wasn't marketing it at the beginning. I was just focused on getting my engagement up. So as you can see, pretty much daily sales are coming in on a daily basis, okay? So now that's not the only sales I'm making. I'm making sales in my business as well from this strategy. So what I really want you to understand is that this is pretty much going to give you instant authority or near instant authority. Now, there are courses out there that teach you how to brand yourself, how to attract people to you, how to get connections on a daily basis, getting people coming to you. And those are like thousands of dollars. This is not thousands of dollars. This is not even $100. And you get the information that's going to bring tons of people to you asking for your information. And I'm telling you, I don't care what you're promoting. That is magical. It really is. That is something that only a few people really, only a very small amount of people really know how to do and do it effectively. And with this strategy, it's going to happen. There's just no way around it. The strategy absolutely works. There's nothing else to even say about that. It absolutely works. You start doing it, it absolutely works. So that's really all I got about this. If you want more information, there's a button below this video. There's a couple buttons. Just click on the button on the left side, and that's going to take you right into this course. Now, I do use a software which is on the right side. That's the green button on the right side. And that software really helps me automate the process, but that is not a mandatory thing. You can definitely do everything that is taught in this course without it, but it will save you time. I will say that. And in closing, again, if you're in a network marketing business, if you're in an online business, if you have any product, any service, anything, I want you to understand the number one thing that people struggle with is getting traffic, getting people to connect with them. And this will solve that problem. So if you're not getting 100 likes, 200 likes a post, plus you're not making sales on a near daily basis, then this course is absolutely for you. And in closing, I also want to say how powerful this is when you're doing paid marketing as well. So let's say you're doing solo ads, you're doing some kind of paid marketing. When you put your link in your emails to your Facebook profile, or you send a post about your Facebook, you did on your Facebook, to your list, they're going to come over to your profile and they're going to see just what's going on in your profile. And because you have so much engagement, because you have so much going on, what's going to happen is that is going to attract them to you. It's going to establish the know, like, trust, and you are going to make more sales because of it. Okay, so that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time. Be sure to click that button below to get more information. If you want to purchase it, that's where you're going to purchase it. Again, it's on the left hand green button. Click on that button. It's going to you're going to enter your email, and then what you're going to do is you're going to see more information about the course and where you can purchase it. Okay, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you soon.